You can pick up these plugs at any PVC supply store. We're going to go ahead and prime our valve and our pipe that we're cutting. Then we're going to thread the plug through the valve, making sure you're putting the plug on the correct end you're going to use. You also need a bike pump of some sort. This one has the foot pump on it, so it makes it a little easier to do with your hand. Now that we have that set up, it's time to cut the pipe. You want to have everything ready because as soon as you cut the pipe, it's going to be very wet. And you want to have your glue ready and keep it dry. Water is continuously flowing from the pool now. We're going to stick our plug in. It's already hooked up to the pump. Now the trick is to pump this up enough, and when you take it off, do not let any air out. Now we're going to dry it off as best as possible and apply our glue to the pipe and our fitting, and then we're going to turn it at a 90-degree angle. We're going to let that dry, and then we're going to take the air out of the bladder and close off the valve. All done. Worked perfect. Here's the bike pump I was using. Then here's the bladder.